shadows fading, dawns and lights, but our glow stays burning bright.